How to add swipe up link on your Instagram story. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how you can add a swipe up link on your Instagram story. So adding a swipe up link to your Instagram story was a feature primarily available to users with a certain follower count or those with a verified account. To add a swipe up link into your Instagram story, you'll need to follow the steps. First of all, you need to meet the requirement, that is, you need to have a business or creators account or to be verified users. In most cases, you need to have at least 10,000 followers. So basically, to create a business account, you need to go to your profile. After that, it's going to direct you to the profile page. Here, click on the three dot icon or the try bar icon and go to settings. Once you've done that, you'll need to scroll down a bit and you'll need to go to accounts. Over here, you'll be able to find an option such as switch to professional account, or you can just add a new professional account. So go ahead and create a business account and you'll have to wait patiently until you get 10,000 followers. After you've done that, you'll need to tap on your profile at the top right in order to add a story. So after that, take a photo or a video, and you can also add a desired text and mention all of that. Once you've done that, add a link. So after you've customized your story content, tap on the chain link icon or the swipe up, or the chain link icon, or the swipe up, or the sticker icon. So if you don't see the swipe up sticker, you may need to use the chain like icon and enter the URL manually. So over here, you need to paste in or enter the URL you want to link to. This can be a website, blog post, product page, etc., whatever. After that, you need to click on the done button as link. As soon as you're done entering the link, now publish your story. Once you've added the link, you can post your story by tapping on your story, which is located right at the bottom. And now anyone who views your story will be taken to the linked URL. So these were the steps on how you can add a swipe up link on your Instagram story. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.